guys, this is my Mima.
This is Arella. For today's video, I have a question for her. So we can check
how smart
Arella is. So I'm looking for a question, guys.
Guys, ang bungi. Ang bungi. May manok, ang bungi.
Oo nga, na po.
It's a tube.
We're just waiting for the permanent to come out.
Oh no.
Teka, we were done with that before. Yeah. So what else? Did you meet some friends in the party today?
Yeah, I forgot the name. The magician used fire. And we saw a duck in the magic.
Here's the question.
Diba, yung magic siya, nilagay yung bird sa cage, nilagay niya, kasi nalalo niya, inopen niya, duck na agad. Sabi ko, sabi ko, sino yun? Pag nabuksan niya, sabi ko,
oh, yun ang interesting part of the program. Meron silang magician nag-perform.
And of course, there was a trolley, and then there's triangles inside. Here, remove the triangle. He had the girl. Put the girl inside. Then put the triangle back. Put the triangle back.
Birubok mo naman yung mga secret ng mga magician.
Tapos, he spin
Nakikita niya kasi.
Then he opened it. The girl changed dress. I know how to do that. Kasi the girl has a pin. And then, she will just, the dress is already inside, but she will...
Ano bang ginawa niya? From to naging ano siya?
Red to blue.
Ah, okay. Nag-change ng clothes. Ah, okay. So,
I like the...
Did you have fun in watching the magic show? Yes.
The magician did like, and I get a paper.
Okay. If you could invent something to make your life easier, what would it be? For example,
a vacuum.
Ayan.
A vacuum X5.
Before, we just use broom to
There's a vacuum
to sweep the floor, clean all the dirt. But
I know.
Now, in-invent yung vacuum para ganun-ganun ka lang. Oh, sige. Sige, I'll give you time to think.
This one for X5.
Anong X5?
Basta ito, example.
You will invent a dishwasher.
No, a dishwasher like this. It's like a curtain. Sasabit mo. Tapos the soap, may stick, mahabang stick. And then the sponge. And you press the button, it will start washing like.
Okay. Okay naman yan. O tapos, after mag-wash ng machine,
I will make the invented.
mag-wash ng machine, saan niya ilalagay yung mga plates?
Wash dryer. I will put it, it's like an oven, and then
Meron ng ganyan, Rela.
ay! Iba yun!
You invent something new. Meron na pong ganyan. Yung dishwasher, I think wala pa yan. Pero yung parang dryer, meron na yun eh.
Hindi, it's a different dryer. Then you press the button, it will come out, and then the dryer will shrink.
Okay na nga yung sinabi mo nung una eh. A machine that will wash the dishes. Okay na yun eh.
Sa America, parang oven yun. Nilalagay mo lang, nahuhugas na nga eh.
Ay, meron bang ganun?
Yeah, it's like an oven.
Dryer yun, di ba?
No?
Dish dryer ang tawag doon. Yung parang nilalagay nila sa loob para matuyo yung mga hinugasan. Pero yung sinasabi mo na dish dryer, ay dishwasher, wala pa noon. Yung machine na maghugas, magsasoap.
I have magic.
Okay naman yun. Magandang invention yun. Kasi may tayo naghuhugas ng plato eh.
I have magic.
That's good.
There's like coming out in your ears.
That's the line. Okay. Do you think of anything else that you want to invent? Aside from that dishwasher? Actually ako hindi ko alam na kung meron talagang dishwasher na na-invent. Pero ngayon ko na lang na-realize na sinabi ni Arela. Pero yung dish dryer, meron na yan.
Ikaw, ano gusto mo? Ikaw, ano gusto mo?
Actually, meron na nga rin eh. Yung car, yung mga taxi cars na walang driver.
Meron lang ko dun sa
I want to invent something that somebody or not somebody. I want to invent a car that will drive for me safely. Parang hirap magtiwala. May nakita na akong ganyan sa na video. No, hindi naman. I just don't remember what country is that. You will sakay that is like a taxi. Tapos wala pong driver.
You know, I've seen that so many times.
Yeah, I saw that. Ayun lang, sa safety, doon ako parang nag-aalanganin. Alam mo yun. Pero hopefully, siguro, there's nothing impossible with dito ka. There's nothing impossible with technology, okay? Okay, thank you for watching and answering my question. That's a good answer though. Thank you. Bye. God bless.